Alright, so we've got these two icons. Now we want to have another two to show the created date and the user, and we also want to use flex display flexbox to just spread out nicely. Now before we do that, one more thing I want to show you, and that is you saw how we use the different icon. You could actually use the same icon as well if you want, and you give the value solid. Now if you do that, you see you get the solid this filled icon instead of outline. So if you want, you can do that. So if unliked, you see it's outline, but if you like, you get this solid. So whichever you like. I'm just going to continue with that one, but that is also possible. Okay, now what we want to do is we want to move these icons to a separate component, because it's getting quite a lot, and we're going to have two more icons as well. So it makes sense to move them to a separate component just to make things easier. So let's go to components, and here links, we can add one more file here inside links. Let's call it icon set. So basically what I want to do is move all these icons. Alright, so let me actually, it's better to just copy the whole thing and just cut things out. We basically want to just keep the icons, and everything else we can just remove. Okay, so let's copy everything, go to icon set, paste here. First you want to change the name. Let's change this to icon set. On top, do the same here, icon set. And here we don't need any of the state, so we can remove that. Icon set. So icon set requires some props. Let me remove that for now. I'll write a bit later. These functions we will be receiving as props, so we can write them here. We should receive them as props. So handle like press, handle on like press, and then we can just remove that. We will also need, you can see, show icons. We need that prop, and we need the link as prop as well. So you can see link has been used to access views, likes length, so link is also needed, as well as show icons. So let's receive them as props, show icons, link, and then we need the auth state as well, so we can give that, pass that from the preview card to this one as well. So once we have that auth, we can use that. Let me just double check. We can use that here. Awesome. So next one is source URI. Actually we don't need this bit, so image we don't need. We just want to put icons in this component, so we don't even need the view. Remove the view, and let's just use fragment here. Let's come all the way down, change the view to just the fragment, remove the touchable, this description and the title as well, and we just leave the icons here. So let's remove these imports we don't need, remove the image, use context, remove that. Okay, now as you can see here, all we have is icons. So we are showing the views, and we are showing the likes if they have liked or unliked. Based on that, using the ternary, we are showing the likes. So basically two icons we are showing it. Okay, so let's use this function now. So let's use this component and make sure we pass all this from preview card so that we can just cut all this code away from here. So I can just cut everything from here and then just use that icon set. So first let me import it on top. Import icon set from. So we are currently here, so it's in the same directory, so icon set. Awesome. Icon set line 67. Let me just go there. Okay, so it's not there. Let's go to preview card. Icon set. Touchable opacity. I thought I removed this one. Oh, sorry. It's in the preview card. We can't remove that. This one. Something happened here. Let me undo a few times again. Let me just double check. Okay, so we had the icons. Oh, okay, so I missed that part. So let's remove all this. Show icons and use the icon set here. Let's import this on top one more time. Perfect. So we don't see anything at the moment, but let's pass the props and we should be able to see that. So handle like press, handle on like press, link, we're going to pass the link as well. We pass the show icons property, and finally we pass the auth. Awesome. Now you can see here we have moved the icons to a separate component, nice and clean, and everything is still working. So we can like, unlike, go to the post. Let's try some links. So let's try, what do we try here? React. Okay, let's try that. React this examples. So as you can see here, when we have the preview, when we are creating, we don't see the icons, so everything is working as expected. Beautiful.